Emma stood at a busy bus stop in East London, watching people rush to work. Another Monday morning arrived, bringing the same familiar weight of financial anxiety. She wondered how she would stretch her meager salary until the end of the month. Emma was not lazy. She worked incredibly hard every single day. Yet, every month ended the same way, with mounting bills and persistent stress. She constantly promised herself that next month would finally be different. One evening, after a long shift, she opened social media on her phone. She saw women talking about artificial intelligence and its endless possibilities. Some were creating ebooks, while others designed beautiful digital products with ease. Some were writing content in mere minutes instead of grueling hours. A few had even built thriving online businesses from their own living rooms. Emma laughed softly to herself, feeling a deep sense of doubt. "That is only for tech people," she whispered to the empty room. "I am simply not smart enough for that kind of work," she added. Weeks passed by, but the bills did not stop arriving. The pressure of her daily life did not stop either. But one specific sentence kept echoing in her mind throughout the day. AI is not replacing hardworking people. It is helping ordinary people do extraordinary things. That night, she finally decided to learn instead of just scrolling. She discovered how AI could help her write faster and create digital products. She learned how to generate business ideas and design content effortlessly. She found ways to plan marketing and save hours every single week. She did not become rich overnight, but she changed her approach. She simply stopped doing everything the hard way. Little by little, a new sense of confidence replaced her old fear. Her evenings changed from endless exhaustion to building something that was hers. The extra income she generated slowly began to pay off her debts. The crushing weight of stress finally turned into a flicker of hope. For the first time in years, Emma realized she was not trapped. She had simply been missing the right tools to succeed. How many Emmas are out there today, feeling exactly the same way? Hardworking women, mothers, students, professionals, and dreamers everywhere. Women with brilliant ideas, but no clear roadmap to follow. If that sounds like you, this book was written with you in mind. AI Money Girl is the modern woman's guide to making money. It is a practical, step-by-step guide for your journey. It shows you how to use AI to create faster. You will learn to work smarter and save precious time. Discover new income opportunities that you never thought were possible. Begin building a business, even if you have never used AI before. Your future does not have to look like your past. The opportunity is here, waiting for you to take it. The only question is, will you let another year pass? Or will today become the day that everything changes for you? Click the link in the description and get your copy today. Work less, create more, and earn smarter, starting right now. Your journey to financial freedom begins with this single step. Embrace the technology that is designed to help you thrive. You have the talent, and now you have the roadmap. The world is changing, and you can change with it. Do not let fear hold you back from your potential. Join the community of women who are reclaiming their time. Every chapter is designed to make your life easier. You deserve to see your hard work pay off. Success is not just for the lucky few anymore. It is for those who are willing to learn. Take control of your destiny and start building today. The tools are ready, and the path is clear. Make the choice to invest in your own future. Your new life as an AI money girl starts now.